And this model is given in the second exercise of our textbook of real number chapter. So we'll have a quick view of this one. Finding LCM and HCF of the given numbers by factors method. So here three numbers are given: 12, 30 and 42. 12 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3, 30, 2 into 3 into 5, and 42, 2 into 3 into 7. After writing the prime factors of all these numbers, you underline common factors in all the three prime factorizations. You underline or circle. See here. All the three prime factorization. The first one has two 2's, but in the second one has only one 2. Third one only one 2. So 1 2 is common. So you need to underline 2 2 2. So it is here highlighted with the yellow color. Like that, see the other factors. 3 is also repeated by one time. So that's why it is to be underlined. And in the second factorization, there is a 5, but first one has no 5. Third factorization, 7 odd factor, but it is not in the other 2. So we cannot underline those. After writing the prime factorization like this, then you need to find HCF. The HCF, that is the highest common factor. Highest common factor. So here you need to find the product of common factors in all the three prime factorization. 1 2 is common and 1 3 is common. So 2 into 3, 6. That is the HCF of given three numbers. And LCM, here you need to find the product of all the factors which repeated maximum times in any one of three factorizations. So here LCM is equal to 2 is repeated by 2 times maximum. So 2 into 2. 3 repeated only one time. So 1 3. 5 is repeated only in the second. So 1 5. And 7 only in the third factorization. So 7. And product of all these numbers gives 420. So 420 is the LCM of given three numbers. This is the procedure of finding LCM, that is the least common multiple, and highest common factor by factors method. See one more example. 64 is factorized as 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 75 as 3 into 5 into 5. 45, 3 into 3 into 5. So here you need to remember all the given numbers you have to express as a product of prime factors only. Now HCF, it is a product of common factors in all the three factorization. In all the three repeated one time only. It is highlighted with the white color. So 1 3. And 5 in the first factorization, 5 is one time, second factorization 2 times, third factorization only one time. So one time is a common. So into 5. 3 into 5, 15. That is the HCF. Here we did get 2 in the finding the HCF because the factor 2 is only in first factorization. That's why it is not considered to find the HCF. Okay. Now LCM. Here we need to find the product of all the different factors which are repeated maximum times in any one factorization. 2 is repeated by 2 times, 3 is repeated by 2 times in the third factorization, and 5 is repeated 2 times in the second factorization. So product of all these factors is 900. It is the LCM of given three numbers. This is the procedure. Already you answered this type of models. I know all of you are perfect. Okay.